upper body rolling. What we're trying to do here in this drill is keep the lower body relaxed as possible as we disassociate the upper extremity from the lower extremity to create rotation. I'm going to be rolling toward you, so I'm going to make my left side as long as I can because this is going to be my point of axis of rotation right here. From the waist down, I'm thinking can't move, it's just dead weight, okay? Only thing I can use is my head and my arm, my upper body to drive that rotation. So the way I'm going to start this drill is I'm going to reach up for the ceiling. I'm going to start to reach. My head's going to come off the floor, so my eyes are on my finger. And I'm going to keep reaching as my eyes follow my hand till I flop over. Then I'll go with the right arm straight out to the side. I'm going to reach back for the ceiling. Eyes are going to follow the fingertips. My head can come off the floor. You're going to feel muscle in the upper back working. Going forward should be all abs. You'll feel some deep neck flexors. As you come back, it's going to be a lot of upper back.